So it's good to be home, and it's good to have different places to call home. So I am back in Honolulu. You can see Waikiki behind me. This is always a spot that feeds my soul. I can feel the shift in my body as I get off the plane and I'm back in Hawaii. And so it is wonderful to be able to have homes that feed your soul. So whenever you need to feed your soul, make sure you're taking that time to do that. I also wanted to thank those of you that reached out to me and supported me about my speaking event last week in New York. It was very successful. You'll be seeing clips and videos of that going forward over the next several weeks and possibly months. So if you know anyone that is looking for a dynamic keynote speaker, I would love the opportunity to come and speak at an event live or on any sort of virtual platforms as well. So I appreciate those of you that continue to support me, and I would be happy to share that. So today I did want to talk about feeding your soul. So when you go out and do something great and have this great sense of accomplishment, it's good to take care of yourself emotionally when you put a lot of emotional energy into something and you get to celebrate it. So I will be celebrating this week while I'm still working this week in Waikiki, in Honolulu, and getting to enjoy this view. Please put a note in the comments below or reply to this email, depending on how you're watching this video, on what you do to recharge your batteries. And I look forward to speaking at an event with you in the audience very soon. Make it a great day.